Hello everyone, today is day 15 of the archaeological dig at Bremenium Roman Fort, High Rochester in Northumberland. And I wasn't here for day 14, so there was no filming. And I'll tell you what a difference a day makes. Everyone's been working incredibly hard and we have exposed a great deal more. Wait till I show you around. So this is trench 4 and this is our big square building within that. We have extended and we are going to extend again. But can you see the size of the walls of this building? There's bound to be a lot of tumble. It's difficult to work out what is wall and what is tumble, but it's substantial. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow, I think. All looking good so far. Okay, this is trench 3 and this is astounding what the fellas have been finding in here. Just when we thought we'd never find it, there was a bit of doubt there. Lo and behold, look at this. This is the rampart wall. And there is a lovely offset now coming up. So this wall would effectively revetted the turf rampart of stacked turf, big bank. So this would be revetting one side of it. The inner side, that's looking great. And we do have some stratified pottery. Not much, but enough. And there might be more yet. So we've been digging out more and more. And a Herculean effort has been undertaken here today, trying to get back to the section edge. There's more flags in the bottom here as well. So we're just trying to make sense of this. But that's absolutely brilliant. Now in trench 2 we took out that later wall. Remember there was a perpendicular return to it that we knew was later and we took that out. Well, the wall that returned from it going westward from it we removed as well because it was clearly what we call floating. It was just one course of poor quality stone sitting on soil that was above all the other walls. So we took that out. But curiously, under that level of soil there is another layer of rather ragged, what we call chewed up wall footing underneath it. So that's interesting. And then let me get down into the trench. Oh, let's see if we can spot anything else of interest. There's the bread oven. Look how beautifully this has been excavated. Absolutely wonderful. Burning in the bottom, and then what we reckon is that there's a new floor that Barbara and Jeanette are digging over there, and George. Lovely flags, and all of that blackening I suspect will be fuel waste used within the bread oven that's been raked out, thrown over there. But the wall of our building 1 is extending down here past the bread oven. And we thought it would terminate there, but it isn't. It's extending to do a bit more cleaning where Rupert's digging there. So that might be a terminal. So it's all very good. It's not a terminal.
No, it's not a terminal.
You're finding more underneath. Oh yes. Oh right, yes. Wow.
Yeah.
This is a big building, right?
Well, it's got bigger and bigger, but
Yeah.
it's not open-sided like you thought.
No, it's not.
Carries on.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, we thought we got to the end of it, but we really haven't.
I'm stood in the, I suppose it's the northwest corner of the trench here, trench 2. There's a wall in there that we excavated part of last year. It's the parallel wall to the one we've just looked at. It's running up there. We excavated to about this point and we thought it might end, but it seems to be extending Jenny's been excavating right back. It had this cobbled surface over the top that we said was hard standing, and we thought that the wall had been knocked out here. But it doesn't appear so. It looks like it's just lower down, and the cobbles, this surface has been put over the top. And I think Ethan's getting more of the same wall. Yes, indeed, more of the same wall coming through there. So that's interesting, and I think it must be different too. It's a different alignment to this wall here. Let's have a little look back. Oh, and Ian's got more of that wall extending. It's been robbed out by the looks of it, but still you can see the line where it's at. Fantastic. And then this material on the north side of it, do we think it could be road surface?
Further down, I think that's
Yeah.
the road surface is just a little below it.
So tumble off the wall and then road surface further over. Yeah, that makes sense. When you look at the road surface, it does almost look like there are two builds. So slightly different material on this side, and then large material down the middle, almost like a spine, but I'm not sure if that's what it is. It could be more tumble. And then slightly larger materials on this side, abutting the building. And we'll have a look in the middle of the trench. So we've got all of these floors, this floor from this building, and then cobbles under that, and then flags under that with all the burning. So that would suggest that this building in here and this floor is quite late in terms of Roman occupation, or it's certainly later than all of this, which goes with the bread oven, I reckon, which in turn we thought was cut through the rampart. Sorry, Barbara. It's brilliant. So here's the parallel wall from building 1. Ben's been trying to get to the bottom of it here. Ben, are you at the base of that wall yet then?
No, that wall's still going down.
Still going down. Still going down. Wow.
It's painful digging on there. This blue clay is just so heavy and
Yeah.
so, like, it's just homogeneous. It's thick, sticky, and there's water coming at the bottom of the hole now as
Oh,
well.
is there? Right.
Looking at this, we do have a nicely curved stone. If we're looking for the front of this oven, the
Oh, yeah.
stones that look like there might be coursework inside go underneath this. This is underneath this. There's another one here underneath it. That one's behind us.
Yeah.
So this could be the front of the oven.
Ah.
Not sure. It's not early days yet, but hopefully.
That's a hell of a depth, isn't it? And it's heavy clay. It's difficult work. We'll get there eventually. So what have you found here?
Some blue clay,
Look how blue it is. Wow.
real blue clay, and we're going to take it back and mould with it.
You squish some of it, squish it so we can see. Oh, so it's proper puddled clay, that, isn't it? Wow. So that's a proper bonding material. Wow, very good. Lovely. Fun in the mud.
One in the mud.
Well, this is Bo and Joe and Erica. Hello, Erica.
Hi,
Hi. And where have you been digging?
in the spoil heap.
In the spoil heap behind us there. And you found a range of artifacts here, I see.
I found this
Oh, what is it, Bo?
glass.
Bit of glass. Yeah. What else is in here?
A load of pottery.
Yes, all right, yeah.
Pottery.
Bits of black burnished pottery.
glass. That's mine. Glass that Bo found.
Yeah, that's a nice big piece.
That's what Alfie found.
Okay, that's burnt bone. What else? Any orange pottery?
Yeah.
Oh, that's that lovely pottery. That's called
That's the one
Samian
that
ware.
I found a bit. That's really nice.
Yeah, and some lovely rims on
Found it.
these pots. Look at that. Fantastic.
I found.
And a nail. all kinds of things.
I think there's
Great.
this one on
Well done.